What's up, you guys? This is Lars here with Crispi. We're back here with our boot care series. So we started out with how to clean your boots, then condition your boots, and now we are here to talk about how to properly store your boots. First thing I'm going to jump into, we laced our boots back up, we put our insole back in. The next thing that we're going to do is, if you have a shoe tree, then that will be fantastic to go in there. Make sure it's not too tight and stretching out the boot, because that can damage the Gore-Tex. However, if you don't have a shoe tree, the little paper that comes with the boot would be a fantastic option. That's why this is in there. It's not just in there for looks to show it's a brand new boot. It actually holds the integrity of the boot and makes sure it doesn't collapse on itself in shipping and storage and anything like that. So we're just going to go ahead and stick this in here. As you can see here, that boot is already filled out. It looks like there's a foot in here, so it's not going to collapse on itself. The leather's not going to shrink over time. It's going to keep that rand from bulging out and separating. One of the biggest things is people leave their boots in hot cars, leave them by fires, just to dry out, anything like that. And what that will do is that it will actually separate the glue, because that glue is held on by heat. That's why all of our boots are rebuildable. So once that boot gets heated up, it's going to stretch out. And as soon as that does stretch out, like in the rand in particular, dirt and debris will get in there, and it's just going to expand, get a little bit worse over time. So that is definitely going to help you out in the long run there. And then you also are going to want to store these inside. A lot of people throw them in their garage. Your garage can get up to 90, 100 degrees sometimes. Definitely want to keep these indoors, climate controlled room. Honestly, just leave them in your closet and you'd be in good shape. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call at Crispi US.